Hey guys, today I want to talk about the best exercise for losing weight. Not all exercises are created equal, so I'm going to give you the inside scoop on which exercise it is that will help you lose weight the fastest. But first, I want you to guess which one you think it is. Do you think it's running, perhaps? Or cycling? Or resistance training? That's one of my favorites. I think everyone should do. How about yoga? Okay, well, I got some bad news. Whichever one you guess, you're wrong. The first and best, most perfect exercise we can do to lose weight is to watch our carb count. The reason is because if we keep the carbohydrates out of our diet, our blood sugar will stay low, our insulin will stay out, and our body will start to burn fat and ketones instead of sugar. Now, once the carbohydrates are out of your diet and your body is starting to burn fat because it doesn't have any sugar to burn, now it's time for the second best exercise. And what is the second best exercise, do you think? Well, it turns out the second best exercise is the one you like to do. Pick the one that you enjoy. For me, it's resistance training and my bicycle. I like cycling. If you like Pilates, do it. If you like swimming, awesome. If you are one of those tough guys who makes fun of yoga, then you haven't done yoga. But whatever it is that you like to do, that you enjoy doing, do that. But make sure your carbs are out of your diet so that your body is burning fat first, or else you're going to erase your efforts. If you continue to put sugars, simple carbohydrates into your body and raising your blood glucose level, your blood sugar, your second exercise, the one you pick, the one that you enjoy, isn't going to have much effect on your weight loss at all. So I know I seem like I bag on exercise a lot, and that's kind of funny because I love exercise. But the point I'm really trying to make here is that exercise is almost moot until you've gotten that down. Once you get your carbohydrates down and your body's in fat burning mode, do the exercise that you like best, and you'll see the weight fall off, I promise. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my website, and do the 2-week carb challenge. I dare you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.